Ventilated wall with cladding. Single frame system. If deciding to make ventilated facade with cladding, first fix the metal frame elements to the wall, use separators between the frame elements and wall. On top of them, mount the flexible but solid PAROC Extra as a proper thermal insulation layer. On top of the PAROC Extra slabs, mount PAROC Cortex as a wind protection thermal insulation with the wind protection surface outwards. Seal the seams by tape and press the underlying flexible insulation tightly against the internal envelope. PAROC Cortex is a non-combustible product and has a good fire class A2, S1, D0, and therefore it's suitable for high-rise buildings. Leave a ventilation gap in the structure in accordance with the design and install the final layer of the facade cladding. Double frame system. When making ventilated facades with a double frame system, first install the metal frame. Use the separators between the frame and wall. The metal frame has to be installed so that thermal insulation from PAROC Extra is possible to mount between the studs tightly. Mount PAROC Cortex on top of the frame studs, which gives the whole structure a continuous thermal insulation and wind protection layer. Seal the seams by tape and press the underlying flexible insulation tightly against internal envelope. Fix the separate frame structure on top of the wind protection slabs, leave a ventilation gap in the structure in accordance with the design and install the final layer of the facade cladding. Tightening of the windshield at the corner of the buildings as well as windows. Corners of the building are a critical area in ventilated facades, therefore corners have to be wind tightened additionally. After the wind protection of PAROC Cortex is installed, use PAROC XST021 for sealing the corners of the building. It gives the whole structure a continuous thermal insulation and wind protection layer.